Let me show you how we can try to fix issues with quick share not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So the first thing that you can do is you can open settings on your phone and then proceed to connected devices. Now over here we should be able to find the quick share option, and the first thing that you can do is you can make sure that you are visible to, for example, everyone. Of course you can set this option to 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes this option is reverted and you start using the previous option, the previously selected option again. So in this case I would go back to contacts after 10 minutes. Of course if you need more time you can uncheck this option so you stay visible to everyone until you manually switch it back. Besides that, another thing that you can do is, of course, you can allow sharing over internet. If it's not possible to use quick share using a direct connection, you can share or continue sharing over the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. So you can turn this option on if you don't mind using that. Over here we also have sharing with contacts. In this case we can also create links using, for example, Wi-Fi and mobile data, both of them. If you set up to Wi-Fi only, of course, in a situation where you don't have access to Wi-Fi, you might have trouble with sharing with your contacts. And last but not least, another thing that you can do is you can go to the expandable area in quick settings, and in here you should be able to find the quick share. I believe it is added by default, so usually you can tap on this option in order to open this quick share menu, and while you are over here in receive section you are visible to everyone. So as long as you stay over here in this menu you should be able to be reachable by every other device near you. So of course you can go into this menu and just wait for your files to be sent to you, I guess. Of course if you switch to send, then here you can also select whatever you want to transfer and so on and so forth. But this is something that I can recommend you to do. Just simply open the quick share panel over here and just wait here for the files in case it doesn't work without it. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.